Hello students, welcome to English class. Today we are going to learn new poem. The poem number 1.6 I Love Little Pussy. See in this picture which animal you can see here? Yes, these all are the domestic animals. Means pet animals also. Animals that live with the people are called the domestic animals. Okay, today we are going to learn about that one pet animal, cat. The poem tells us about the cat and girl, how the girl take care of the cat and how she spent her day with the cat. Today we are going to see this all things in this poem. So, let us see. Dear children, first I will read the poem and explain also. So, listen it carefully. Poem number 1.6 I Love Little Pussy. I love little pussy. Her coat is so warm, and if I don't hurt her, she will do me no harm. You can see here, the girl is very love much her pussy, means her cat. Okay, the girl touches the cat's body. You can see here also. What the girl say? Her coat is so warm. Here coats means what? The cat fur. You can see the hair here. It's fur here on her body, cat body. It's covered the body of the cat. So the girls say, cat's body is so soft and warm. And if I don't hurt her, she will be not hurt me. Means if I don't trouble the cat, cat also not trouble me. So I will not pull her tail. Here you can see in this picture. Don't do like this. If I not pull her tail or not drive her away, means if the girl not pull the cat tails, means not irritate her or behave like any way, that she will be leave the place. Okay, so she become a good. Here it is a drive means what? Means behave in a way that will be force someone to leave. So girl will be not do like this. She will not pull her tail. Okay. How she behave? She will be gently. But pussy and I very gently will play here. Okay. How she play with the cat? She play with the gently. Gently means what? Kindly, softly. She play with the cat. Understand all of you? See here. I will sit by the fire and give her some food. See here, the girl is sit by the fire and cat also here. The girl cook a food and give it to the cat. Here you can see the cat here. Okay. And Pushy will love me as I am gentle and good. I love my little pussy very much. You can see here. The girl cook a food and give it to the cat, and in return the cat will love her. Okay, love to girl. Of the girl is very kind of good. That's why cat also love her. And what the girl repeated, I love my little pussy very much, means the girl is very love much her pussy. All of you understand this poem? Okay. Now we will read this poem with rhythm. Okay. The poem number 1.6 I Love Little Pussy. Listen, sing and act. I love little pussy, her coat is so warm, and if I don't hurt her, she will do me no harm. So I will not pull her tail, nor drive her away. But pussy and I very gently will play. I will sit by the fire and give her some food, and pussy will love me as I am gentle and good. I love my little pussy very much. All of you understand this? How you say with the rhythm? Okay. Now we're going to see the hard words. Coat. 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 WARM. Worm. HURT. Hurt. HARM. Harm. DRIVE. Drive. GENTLY. Gently. FIRE. Fire. TAIL. Trail. Now we're going to see the meanings. Drive someone away. Behave in a way that will force someone to leave. Okay? Gently means softly and slowly. Animal's coat means the fur or hair on its body. All of